Sometimes when you are searching a database, you may find some of your results have the information about the article, the title, authors, abstract and other details, but not the article itself. In this case, you need to use a full-text finder. A full-text finder takes the information about the article you want, like its DOI, title or journal, and searches through the library's subscriptions to figure out which database has a full-text copy of that article. The QUT Library's full-text finder tool, called LibKey, embeds full-text finder at QUT links in most major databases, including Scopus, Web of Science, EBSCO host databases, ProQuest databases, and Google Scholar. When you click on one of these links and log in with your QUT account, you may go straight to the article, or be redirected to a page like this on the QUT Library website. Click the link under View Online to go to the database that has the full text of your article. If you see a page like this, it means we don't subscribe to the journal that article is published in, but you can request a copy through our document delivery service. A great shortcut for finding full text is to install the LibKey Nomad browser extension in Chrome or Firefox browsers. This extension creates direct links to the articles and sometimes direct download PDFs for most major academic platforms and in Wikipedia. To set up LibKey Nomad, click the link on the library homepage and follow the instructions to download the extension and connect it to your QUT user account. If you need more help finding full text, contact the QUT Library.